Then I insert here formulas. That formula will extract the values from the pivot table for specific period and for specific regions. First I resize this text box. Then select all text box, press Ctrl key, press mouse and move left. So in this text box, I give title name to this text box, total sales. So copy this text, place at this position, type here total sales, resize, select all, change the text color this color, click on bold and increase the text size, then change the icon color this color. After that I format this text box, select no fill and no outline. Then I add here another text box. In this text box, I will extract total sales values. Active this sheet. But I cannot get data from the pivot table to text box directly. Suppose select this text box, enter equal sign, select this sheet, then select this cell reference, press enter key. So there is a range reference error. Remove this formula, enter equal sign. I get the cell reference in this cell. As a result, I can extract the pivot table data in the text box. So click on this cell reference, then press enter key. Format this value. Then go to the dashboard sheet, enter equal sign, click on this sheet, then click on this cell reference, press enter key. So in this way I can get data from the pivot table to text box. I format this value, select center alignment and middle alignment, change the text color this color, click bold, increase the text size up to 24. Then I format this text box, select no fill and no outline. Similarly, I extract sales value for all regions in these 5 text boxes. Select this text box, paste at this position, press Ctrl key, select this text box. First copy this text box and then paste. Press mouse and drag right. Again copy these 2 text boxes, press mouse and drag right. Select this text box, press Ctrl key, then select this text box. Press mouse and drag down. So in these 5 text boxes, type the name of each region. So the first region is this region. Copy this text, select all, then click on paste. Similarly, click on copy, select all, click on paste, select this text, select all, click on paste, click on copy, first select all, then click on paste, then select this text, first select all, then click on paste. After that I format, select this text box, click on format painter, then click on this text. Similarly, click on format painter and then click on this text box. Align these text values in the middle of the text box. Press Ctrl key, then select this text box, press mouse and move right, then select this text box, press Ctrl key, move left, then I copy this text box, paste at this position, resize, copy and paste, then press Ctrl plus C shortcut keys, then press Ctrl plus V shortcut keys. Press mouse and drag right. Copy and paste this text box.